Welcome to the Next YouTube channel. Today I am very excited to introduce you guys to our new MaxWedge and our other wedge sole options. These are new to the assortment. We're going to talk today about why we've introduced these soles, what boots you can get them on, what makes them unique. So without further ado, let's jump in. We're going to start with the MaxWedge sole. So this is an interesting sole. You've seen this on the Wood Butcher boot before. That was kind of the first introduction, but you're also going to see this across all hiking boots, anything like that. This is a dual density polyurethane on the bottom. Is going to be really tough, durable. It's got some traction to it. You know, this is a hiker. We were out with this exact boot yesterday on a photo shoot. Great traction in an option like this, but then in the middle you've got a nice soft layer. So you're kind of getting the best of both worlds in this scenario, where you've got the softness of the foam, but you still have some traction, durability, things that are important for a specific use case. So let's talk about the Nix wedge sole. Super excited to have this come to market. Appreciate everyone's patience along the way as we've brought this out. Internally, our team has worked very hard on this. And we're really proud of the product that we have here. So this is going to come in 3 colors. The first is this cream color. The second color is brown. Personally, I absolutely love this color. When I saw this boot come off the line, ironically in my size, I thought that might be a boot that I have to own. So I think it looks great off of this natural leather edge. And then lastly, you'll see it in black. Not as popular, but excited to have this as an option. This is a really cool looking, all black blackout boot. So we have a sole option for that now. These soles in particular are going to really be awesome for a ton of different environments. I know back when I was working in a woodworking shop, pretty much everyone was wearing some type of sole like this. It's just very comfortable when you're on hard surfaces all day. It does provide some traction, not as much as the MaxWedge sole, but certainly a great amount of traction, comfort, slip resistant, which is great. That's required in some work environments. Ultimately, it's hard wearing. We're going to talk about that a little bit more in a moment, and has some shock absorption. Just overall a really comfortable option for a boot that you're going to wear every day. So let's talk about why we switched. Many people are aware of the Vibram sole. That is kind of the classic. We have actually tested this specific sole in an independent testing laboratory, and we've seen about a 3x improvement on our abrasion resistance with this new compound. That for us just helps us build a better boot, a long-term boot that is gonna stand the test of time. Obviously it can still be rebuilt and we can put these soles back on it, but that's a great option to improve the durability, which in all honesty is kind of one of the downsides, or has historically been one of the downsides of a wedge sole, is just overall durability. One of the things that's awesome about this is going to allow us to offer this wedge sole across the full size run within our assortment. For us, that has always been a challenge. The traditional Vibram sole didn't allow us to go over a size 12. We had some width limitations as well. That's ultimately what led to this entire project, is we went out to try and find a new source. For us, it needed to be made in the USA, and we needed to be able to order across an entire size run. So the website's already been updated, so you should see these across a full assortment. That does mean the big and tall section is going to go away. That was a bit of an interim stopgap, but you'll see the big and tall section goes away, and this will be available on every size. Additionally, this allows us to order in much smaller MOQs. It's a small thing, but it matters a whole lot to us. So with Vibram, we have to order thousands and thousands. Here we can order much smaller runs, which means we have them sized appropriately, and actually allows us to have a better inventory. Lastly, we'll talk about it. How do these work with safety toes? I don't have a safety toe boot in front of me today, but you can use this across Thurman last, safety toe, composite toe. So really anything you need for a work environment, we now have you covered with the new wedge sole. For anyone who already has an order out there, your order is going to ship with the sole that it was originally intended. So when you ordered, if that had a Vibram sole, that is what you're going to receive. That being said, I'm very excited about these. I've been wearing the MaxWedge in one of my personal boots and have found it to be a great balance of kind of comfort and durability and traction. And I actually just now started to wear a Traveler that is wearing one of the new soles as well. I think it's a great option. If you're excited about that and you want to get that on your boot that's already been ordered, just give us a call, shoot us an email. We'd be happy to switch that over to you. Remember, we've got 3 colors: cream, brown, and black. So boots that are featuring the new soles, we've got the Traveler, Aldert, Ridgeline, Hardware Pro, Riverfront, Mock Toe Pro, Turnbull, Game Breaker, Mock Toe Wedge, and Wedge Work. One last comment on these new soles. So for the Tactical and the Marshal boot, those are going to continue to come with a Sierra outsole, which is due to mil-spec compliance. So if it is important that you align to that mil-spec compliance, note that these new sole options will not meet that. So lastly, we're just excited to bring these to market. We've been at this for a really long time. We've got a great supplier who's been really a treat to work with. I think everyone who sees one of these is going to be really pleased. It does have the Nix logo on the bottom. It's a little thing, but I think it looks great. So we're really excited to get these out to market to you guys. Again, you're going to see them in cream, brown, and black, and then the MaxWedge option if you're looking for a little bit more durability and traction. Give us a call if you want to upgrade your current order, or if you have any questions, shoot us an email, give us a call. We'd be happy to get you guys set up in our new wedge soles. We hope you guys are as excited as we are about the Nix Wedge and the MaxWedge. Thanks for watching. Thanks for this, Shyler. I stole it out of the fridge.
Awesome. What flavor?
I was like, that looks delicious. Raspberry lemonade, no, blackberry lemonade. Yeah, it's fire, as the kids say. Like, cut. Like that?
Yeah.
Like Rory McIlroy out of the sand trap? Is that what you want?
It's not really what I have in mind, but...
Okay. Excited to get these out into market. That's stupid. I'm just gonna do it one more time.